Good morning, boys and girls. This morning's life hack has to do with these three objects. So what do they have in common? Typically nothing, but this morning they do. This is our dog shampoo, and there's a little bit left in the bottom, but we can't really get it out. It's not going to come out in any reasonable amount of time. We turn it upside down. So we need to keep it upside down long enough to get everything to where the dispenser is at the end. So my solution to that is to take the cap off a spray can. I'm sure you have one somewhere. This one just happens to fit perfectly in there. Park it like that overnight, and you're all set in the morning when it's time to launder your dog, which is what we're going to do here shortly. You don't get to see, though. If it just so happens that the top of your particular product doesn't fit in one of these, drop it into a tumbler overnight, and your problem is solved in a slightly different manner. That's your morning life hack, boys and girls. Enjoy getting the very last bit out of whatever your liquid product happens to be.